Howdy folks. So I made a little video about the Moondrop Alice, and I happened to be looking at the screenshots on the Google Play Store, and they showed basically that there's a PEQ setting in the app, which is right about here. And so I'm like, well, my app doesn't have that. And then I talked to Paul Wasabi, and he's like, yeah, something about the Google Play Store doesn't have the right app. You got to go to Moondrop's website. So I went to Moondrop's website, downloaded the Moondrop Link app. That didn't work. It didn't install correctly. So I deleted the normal app that you get from the Play Store. Sorry about my fingerprints. And installed the Moondrop app. So then I went in there. They had some pop-ups, and then one of them was in Chinese, and it said something about PEQ in Chinese. It just said PEQ and then a bunch of Chinese characters. And I'm like, yeah, I probably want that. Click that. Took me to a freaking some rando Chinese mega download website, the equivalent of that in Chinese. And then it gave me a big green blob with Chinese in it and then some other blobs. And I clicked the green one and I got this. And it said, do you want to upgrade to PEQ? And I'm like, yeah, of course I do. And then so I got this. Wait. Thanks, fingers. This. Obviously PEQ, right? Boom. All right, let me play something. Pull these out of the box. Now, the reason I'm going over this is because this is actually a next level thing. It's a next level feature. Headphones 5 years, 10 years from now are going to have this feature, and you'll know why. So this is built-in PEQ. Sorry. And it does this. I don't know what the hell it's doing, right? So I go back and click this. And it's like, okay, it's playing. Okay, then I get it, right? So you got to, I don't know what. The app is complete jank. It's in Chinese, but we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PEQ bands. And I'm like, cool. So what these are, a 20, 230, 1.7, 3.75, and 8.2. Okay, cool. Q factors, we can set those. We could set the gain level, blah, blah, blah. But I'm like, oh man, if only we could change the frequency bands. Let me apply the default configuration. I actually got this to work. I don't even know if it's gonna work now. Jesus. All right, so I think we click on this little box on the side. Okay, so that's the frequency. So let's say I want to not do 20, right, as the center band for the PEQ. I want to do 40. So I'll do 40, enter, and then it's like it spins its wheels a lot. God damn it. I did get it to work. Sorry, just laughing. Everything sucks. Okay, let's try again. Oh, wow. All right. And they stopped playing music and all that. Well, let's do this on video. Why not? See what people might run into. Did it run out of music? I don't know. Okay, so I think it's got to be playing music actively to actually do this. If it stops playing, then the app just goes duh. So we do that, and then it maybe. Oh, then it stops. Okay, now it's playing. I can hear it at least. All right, so we're gonna go. Okay, so what the hell? 100? Oh yeah, I hit default. Okay, so I'm gonna change each frequency band to. I'll do this one to 20, right, instead of 100. Go. Update. All right, maybe this will work. It worked. Okay, so now that frequency band is at 20. Okay, so you get what I'm saying. It's janky as shit, but just see if I can hear it. Yeah, I can hear it. Okay, turn that all down. Obviously this sucks, but I can hear it. It's working. It sounds correct. So after I post this, I'm probably going to try and find the link to the stupid file I got off of whatever website that was. It's ridiculous. And, on iOS, no, it's not going to happen. In fact, I have a very strong suspicion that nobody's going to be able to get this thing to work. But I'll try and make it happen. And I do really, really appreciate this. I can actually tune this thing like something I would really enjoy, get the staging a little better, all that kind of stuff. It's really cool. Okay. Talk to you on the next one.